When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades offer as much value as new windows. Not only do they enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they also improve energy efficiency, comfort, and even security. For Taylor Homes, a trusted name in custom-built homes, ensuring high-quality window installation is a critical part of creating the perfect living environment. While it may be tempting to consider a DIY approach, professional window installation offers unparalleled benefits that protect your investment and ensure long-term satisfaction. Guaranteed expertise and precision. Professional window installers bring a level of expertise that simply can't be matched by DIY enthusiasts or less experienced workers. They understand the intricacies of modern window designs and how to properly fit them into your Taylor Homes' specific architectural style. Taylor Homes prides itself on customization, and professional installers can handle unique designs, shapes, and sizes of windows with ease. Whether it's a large bay window for an expansive living room or a sleek energy-efficient design for a modern kitchen, professionals ensure precise measurements and flawless installation, eliminating the risk of gaps, leaks, or structural damage. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the standout features of Taylor Homes is their commitment to energy-efficient construction. Windows play a significant role in maintaining indoor temperatures and reducing energy consumption. Improperly installed windows can cause air leaks, making your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Professional installers ensure that your windows are sealed tightly and fitted properly to prevent drafts. They also know how to handle advanced window technologies like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas-filled panes, maximizing their energy-saving potential. Over time, this professional touch translates to lower utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint. Superior product knowledge. The market for windows is vast, with options ranging from traditional wood frames to modern vinyl and composite materials. Professional window installers are well versed in the strengths and weaknesses of each type, helping you choose the best fit for your Taylor home. They can also advise on additional features, such as UV protection, noise reduction, and security enhancements, tailoring each window to meet your family's specific needs. This personalized guidance ensures you make informed decisions that align with your budget and lifestyle. Safety and durability. Installing windows is not without its risks. The process often involves handling heavy glass panes and working at heights, which can be dangerous without the right tools and expertise. Professional window installers are equipped with the proper safety gear and techniques to handle these challenges. In addition to safe installation, professionals ensure that your windows are installed to last. Poor installation can compromise the structural integrity of your home and lead to problems like water damage, mold growth, or warping over time. Professional installation protects your home from these issues, ensuring durability and long-term performance. Increased home value. As a Taylor Homes customer, you're already investing in a high-quality, custom-built property. Professional window installation further enhances the value of your home. High-quality windows, installed correctly, add to your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall marketability. Whether you plan to stay in your Taylor home for decades or eventually sell it, professionally installed windows are an asset that prospective buyers will appreciate. They offer peace of mind, knowing the job was done right and will not require costly fixes down the road. Warranty protection. Most high-quality windows come with warranties that cover manufacturing defects, but these warranties often require professional installation to remain valid. Attempting a DIY installation or hiring an unqualified installer could void your warranty, leaving you responsible for future repair or replacement costs. Taylor Home's partnership with professional installers ensures that your windows are not only installed correctly but also backed by the manufacturer's warranty. This added layer of protection safeguards your investment and provides peace of mind. Time and stress saving. Installing windows on your own can be a time-consuming and stressful endeavor, especially if you encounter unexpected challenges. Professional window installation eliminates these headaches. Experienced teams work efficiently, adhering to a timeline that minimizes disruption to your daily life. This efficiency is particularly important for Taylor Home's customers, as a seamless installation process aligns with the company's reputation for delivering exceptional customer experiences. Conclusion: invest in quality with Taylor Home's professional window installation is a smart choice for anyone investing in a Taylor home. The benefits are clear: precision, energy efficiency, enhanced safety, and long-term durability. By trusting experts to handle your windows, you can enjoy the full potential of your home's design and performance while protecting your investment for years to come. With Taylor Home's commitment to quality craftsmanship, partnering with professional window installers ensures that your dream home is not only beautiful but also built to last. When it comes to something as important as your home, professional installation is a decision you won't regret.